New station ain't here yet. Here we are. The roof is on fire. We have a weak hose going on. Right now you see another fire truck getting ready. So my neighbor's house is on fire, which is terrible, here in Newark, New Jersey. It is freezing. February 13th, 2014, in the beginning of the snowstorm. You see that? What's going on? It is terrible. And it's snowing. It is snowing outside too. Look, it's sad. I feel so bad for the family. I feel so bad for the family that live there. Shut up. Oh my God, it's gonna collapse. Look at it. No. 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 Oh my God. This is the second time this house has been on fire this year. And it, oh my God. You see that? I hope they get it out. This is South 19th Street in Newark. And it's the middle of the snowstorm. What beginning? Of February 13th, 2014 snowstorm. See the smoke. Brave firemen, Newark Fire Department. And this is the second time this house has been on fire within the last 2 months. This is ridiculous. Due to the hard work and determination of Newark City, firemen, we were able to expunge the fire. There it is. There's our heroes out there. People who saved the lives of families and the houses surrounding the fire. We salute you.
Hi, my name is Mujahid Henry of Essex County. In case of emergency, please contact your local police department. In case of a fire, please contact your local police department and your local fire department. A quick reminder to everyone, please do not play with fire. Verily, it is dangerous and it can cause substantial harm to your friends, your family, and strangers. For more information with the development of the story, please feel free to contact and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The names are listed below, also the links. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you have learned a significant amount, and be safe and don't play with fire.